Hey guys, Andrew here again. And so I want to show you the other piece that we just added, which is the Facebook Pixel. This is great now. You'll be able to track this and create custom audiences based on where people have dropped off or have added and bought with Jumper. So here's how you do it. You just go to enable on this, and very much so like Shopify or any of these other types of things, you're going to just use your Pixel ID. So there's no need to get the whole code and copy it in. We're just doing it off the Pixel ID. And what areas that you can do this is a product dynamic ads, website, custom audience, conversion tracking, all that stuff. And so what you'll do is you want to go into your Facebook Manager account, Ads Manager account, and under, you'll probably go under Pixels, Tools, and then Events, here, and then Pixels. And when you do, you come up to here, and what you'll do is from your settings, from events, you'll go to settings, and over here you'll see this is the Pixel ID. So what you would do is, Pixel ID. Right here, what you'll do is you want to copy that Pixel ID there, and you want to go back into your Jumper account and just sort of, I don't know if I copied it, but anyway, the idea is that you click copy on that, and then you'll go over here and you put your Pixel ID and click save. And once you do that, then that is added to every single page that happens with the web bot. Now, this is not happening on the Facebook Messenger side of things, but that is coming. This is for the web bot. That happens. So every page that somebody drops off or completes or goes through, we're tracking all that stuff, and then you can go into your book manager, into your pixels, custom conversions, and you can make all that kind of stuff. This video is not really going to go into that whole stuff, but what you can do is through here you can create custom conversions, and that will be in other videos. But anyway, that's how you use how you get your Pixel ID from Facebook. Put it in here, save it, and you're all good to go. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to support, and we're always here.